Good afternoon. Most regions will notice temperatures 1 to 4 degrees Celsius higher than yesterday as the summer heat is building for most parts of the country. So daily highs will be hovering around 30 degrees Celsius this afternoon, while Jeju and Busan should have comfortable temperatures. Strong sunshine with very high UV rays will shine down on us with no monsoon rain today. So take extra sun care precautions if you work or spend a lot of time outside, and stay out of the sun. And be sure to drink plenty of water, wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing if possible. Strong heat has Korea in its aim for the latter half of the week. And here in the capital, we could see readings soaring to 33 degrees Celsius by Friday. Now, monsoon rain is in the forecast for southern provinces and for Jeju Island this weekend. Meanwhile, the rest of the country will have to endure muggy conditions. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.